Are you ready to test your knowledge? Let's go! What kind of animal pulls Santa's sleigh? Reindeer. What are the two main colors associated with Christmas? Red and green. Besides Santa, name another gift-giving character associated with Christmas. The Tooth Fairy. What do we call the small icy crystals that fall from the sky and cover the ground in winter? Snowflakes. Where does Santa Claus live? North Pole. Can you name 3 of Santa's reindeer? Prancer, Vixen, Rudolph. What do children leave out for Santa on Christmas Eve? Milk and cookies. What plant is often associated with Christmas and is known for its prickly leaves and red berries? Mistletoe. Finish the lyrics. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. In a one-horse open sleigh. What do you use to make a snowman's eyes, nose, and mouth? Buttons, twigs, coal. Who is the main character in The Night Before Christmas poem? Santa Claus. What do people traditionally eat for dessert on Christmas Day? Christmas pudding. What is the name of the jolly old man who wraps presents in the movie Elf? Papa Elf. What are Santa's little helpers called? Elves. What do you put on top of a Christmas tree? Star. In which month does the winter solstice occur? December. Besides Christmas, name another holiday celebrated in December. Hanukkah. To finish the lyrics, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. What game involves passing around wrapped gifts and is popular at holiday parties? White Elephant Gift Exchange. What is the main character's name in the movie The Polar Express? Hero Boy. What hot beverage is often enjoyed during the Christmas season? Hot chocolate. What shape are traditional gingerbread cookies often made into? Gingerbread men. What do people hang on their houses and trees to celebrate Christmas? Lights. In Dr. Seuss's How the Grinch Stole Christmas, what two sizes does the Grinch say his heart can be? Tiny and huge. What small gifts are often placed in Christmas stockings? Toys, candy, and money. In the movie Frozen, what character has the power to create ice and snow? Elsa. Who were the visitors to the baby Jesus in the traditional Nativity story? Shepherds, wise men, magi, angels. What classic animated TV special features a character named Charlie Brown? A Charlie Brown Christmas. What is the first line of the poem Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost? Whose woods these are, I think I know. In which month do we celebrate New Year's Eve? January. Ho, ho, ho! You're all truly Santa's little elves of knowledge. Well done, my festive friends. You aced the Christmas quiz with flying colors.